Okay, let's be real. Some days you just want to look fresh, but you don't want anyone to know you actually tried, right? This is my 5 minutes I woke up like this makeup routine. So natural, no one will know that you're even wearing makeup. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kim Beautyverse. So as you know, today I'm going to do a 5-minute makeup which is suitable and easy and perfect for busy mornings. As you can see, this is my everyday makeup bag and it contains all the important things. So the first thing to start my makeup with is this sunscreen, which is also hydrating. You know, I don't go with heavy foundation for this look. So it's just a thin layer of my sunscreen. And it's also moisturizing, so it actually saves me time. Now, instead of applying different layers of foundation, which also takes a lot of time, I only apply a little bit of my colored sunscreen. And I only take a tiny bit of this cream. And you know what I do? I just simply try to put it at the center of my face. And then little by little, I spread it everywhere. And you know, when I'm in a hurry, I use big mirrors so that I can use both fingers for blending. But now I've got only one hand. That's it. You know, it is as if that I'm not wearing any kind of makeup. It is as if that my face is naturally like this. Next, I go for my brows. I just fill in my brows with powder pencil, nothing too precise. And I control the pressure of my hand as well. And then simply I lift them upward, but I only put the focus at the initial part of my brow, because that's what frames the face the most. So you know, it doesn't take me any much more time. I don't have to pay attention to the tail or, you know, anywhere else. I just put the focus on the initial part and everything is perfect. You know what I mean? Now, here's the fun part. Using cream blushes is my favorite part. You know what I love cream blushes? Because it looks super natural. And it also blends so much easily. It is as if that I came back from a walk. And this color is amazing. You see the beautiful results? Sorry for the noises outside because they're making an apartment in front of our house. So that's it. As you can see, it's really natural, really perfect. You know where the trick is? Tap the same color on your lips. First, I pour on my finger. And after pouring on my finger, I spread it across my lip. Eyes are easy. When I want to do this 5-minute makeup routine, I only use mascara. But before applying mascara, you should not forget using your eyelash curler. You know, sometimes I don't want to apply mascara at all, but I never forget using my eyelash curler. And whenever there's no eyelash curler around me and I apply mascara without applying eyelash curler, the result is, let's not talk about the results, but it's not satisfying. So I only add a few coats of mascara and I try to put the focus on the tip of my lashes. And the reason that I am putting the focus only at the tip of my lashes is that the result is much more natural. And in this way, I don't have to use a lot of mascara. And a little bit at the lower lash line. Be careful with the lower lash line. Normally, I apply eyeliner after this, but since this is 5-minute makeup, I don't want to do that right now. But when I want to go out, this is the makeup I do most of the time. What is the next step? I usually finish everything with a lip balm. This is what I do. Or maybe lip gloss. Depends on yourself. You could leave your lips the way they are, but I just want them to have a little bit of glow. And that's it. You're glowing and no one can figure out why and how. This is my favorite makeup routine. I do this every day and it's perfect for those days that you are in a hurry. If you're not professional or maybe you're not fast enough, it might take you 10 minutes. But 10 minutes is not a big deal, right? You can do that every day. And this is the whole routine. Super quick, super natural, and honestly, it just makes me feel a little bit put together without looking I try too hard. It's perfect for busy mornings or anytime you just want that fresh, no makeup vibe. If you like this kind of easy routines, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so we can do more fast and fun looks together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!